Compound interest is not just calculated on the initial principal of investment or a loan, it also takes into account the accumulated interest from previous years. Essentially, compound interest means earning interest on your interest. The power of compounding allows a sum of money to grow faster than if simple interest were calculated on the principal alone. The more compounding periods there are, the greater the growth from compound interest. Compound interest acts as a multiplier, accelerating the growth of your money. However, if you have debt, compound interest can make it increasingly challenging to pay off. So, compounding accelerates the growth of savings or debt, and the interest is calculated on the both initial principal and all previously accumulated interest. The concept of interest on interest illustrates the power of compound interest. Compound interest can be calculated at various frequencies such as daily, monthly, quarterly, or annually. This is a compounding formula. To calculate compound interest, we should multiply the initial principal amount by 1 plus the annual interest rate raised to the number of compound periods and then subtract the total initial principal or loan amount from the resulting value. For instance, here principal amount equals to $20,000, interest rate 8%, in decimal form 0.08, and compounding in monthly basis, so number of months equal to 12, total number of years 20, and the final amount is $98,536.06. Another method to estimate compound interest is the rule of 72. In this method, divide 72 by the rate of return to find out how long it will take for your money to double in value. For example, if you have $1,000 earning an 8% return, it would grow to $2,000 in 9 years, which is 72 upon 8 equals to 9. Now let's see how compound interest calculator works. First of all, open a browser and type compound interest calculator. Then open the first link of investor.gov. Here we can calculate power of compounding. Now initial investment $20,000. Monthly contribution 00. Length of time in years 20. Leave blank the section of interest rate variance. Compound frequency in monthly basis. You can choose it annual basis also. In 20 years time, you will have $98,536.06. The chart below shows an estimate of how much your initial savings will grow over time according to the interest rate and compounding schedule you specified. Please remember that slight adjustment in any of those variables can affect the outcome. Reset the calculator and provide different figure to show different scenarios. But if we calculate simple interest, the result appears in very smaller amount than the compounding amount. Let's calculate the simple interest. First open a browser, then type simple interest calculator. Now principal amount $20,000, interest rate 8% per year, term 20 years. Now the total amount including $32,000 interest equals to $52,000, which is $46,536.06 less than total compounding balance, which is $98,536.06. Thank you for watching this video.